of everything. And we were at the hotel. Sorry, I forgot to make an update, but we were at the hotel over here. Oh, it's beautiful water. And there's a gift shop.
Gotta love a gift shop.
Level 5.
Okay, we're going upstairs.
Yeah.
There's a tennis court.
Wow.
Smells so bad.
Everyone's a critic. Here we go.
Well, yeah, we do have an ocean view.
Whoa. We're first entering our room. Let's see. Ocean? Yeah.
Around here.
Balcony that looks out over the ocean. Hi.
Hi. We have balconies. Ocean.
Ocean.
I see it. I can't wait to see that balconies. Hey guys. There my Mimi and Papa.
There they are. Here's our room.
I can't even see you now.
Bed. Husband.
Yeah. It is too bad. We're only going to be here one night, but that's alright, because it gets better from here.
Yes, I know. You walk in, full-length mirror. This is my outfit. In here, let's see, a little coffee maker, some art, and a nice shower. Pretty nice. Hey, you are right there. It is. Down there is a bunch of restaurants. The Rainforest Cafe is right there. And more ocean.
Gulf of Mexico.
Oh, Gulf of Mexico. How lovely it is to see you. Like 60 degrees here instead of it being like 20 degrees in Oklahoma City. So very nice. Very nice. Oh, Caden's going back outside now. He's just in and out. He's excited about the ocean view. And yeah, that's better lighting. Excited about the ocean view. He's just chilling, looking out, taking it easy, relaxing. You tired? It's been a whirlwind, hasn't it, of a few days? Yeah. So now we're just gonna settle in and relax and take it easy for a little bit. Okay.
Ready? 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 Go!
A volcano over there. Oh, I felt a raindrop. Oh, I felt two. Oh no! Daddy's hand or Mimi's. It's raining on us. Yeah, it's like you walk into a giant gift shop. Isn't that fun?
Is that a red snapper?
Maybe.
A bunch of them, yeah.
I see a lot of dories.
There's a lot of dories in here. Is that algae?
I don't know. Elephants!
Hey, there's a world above us.
A whole world.
Yeah, the whole world.
There he goes, he's moving.
Behind us. Behind the water.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Oh, it's the rainforest. Things are happening here. Whoa.
Oh, that was a good one.
You see? Oh, the lightning. Whoa. The animals are. Oh, is the storm past? Thank goodness. It's nighttime now and we are very tired and we're getting ready to go to bed, but we thought we would check in. We've been doing some different stuff. We went to dinner at Rainforest Cafe, as you saw, and we came back and then we had some gelato and it was delicious, and then we went to Target and bought some stuff. Not like we needed to bring more stuff, and then we came back and we've just been getting ready because we got a big day tomorrow. Oh, excuse me. Hold on. What's happening over here? What is happening? What is that? Whoa.
It's just me.
That just happened. That's Dinosaur Caden.
What's up, guys?
Hey, about to go to sleep. I'm exhausted. I'm so tired. But
We went to Target today,
we did go to Target.
and I got some toys.
He got some toys. He wants to show you his toys.
Nascars.
Nascars. Okay.
My 78 Bass Pro Edition.
Ooh.
78.
78 Bass Pro Edition. Okay.
24. Formerly known as Jeff Gordon, but not anymore. Now he is an 18.
There you go. Good job. Okay.
I've been always have a brand new driver. We don't even know who this name is. This is 83. Comment below if you know who this driver is.
Who is 83's driver? We're gonna have to Google that.
He's orange. He has some orange soda. What's that one? Orange
Crush Soda Car.
Crush Soda Car. If you know who this driver is, comment below.
Yep. So yeah, so it's been a good trip. It is cold here, but not as cold as it was in Oklahoma City, but still it's like the coldest that it gets ever in Galveston and even Houston. So big snowstorm expected for the rest of the country, but we're going to the Caribbean, right? Okay, so good night. We'll see you in the morning.
Good night, everybody. Bye.
Bye. Good morning. It's Friday and we are here. Just had some breakfast, had some room service, and it was really good. It was delicious. We're really hungry. It's really cloudy and windy and overcast and cold, but we're excited to be here. Caden's over there. He's eating some breakfast. Watching some Angry Birds movie. We're watching the weather. Apparently Oklahoma City got like 4 inches of snow last night, which is amazing because we never get that much snow, obviously. And so now we're just like, we wish we were playing snow, but not more than we're excited about going on a Disney cruise. So we're getting ready to finish packing up, and then we're gonna take a shuttle over to the port and start the process of getting checked in. So we'll check back in when we start moving, okay? Yep, there it is.
Believe it, the Disney Wonder.
It's beautiful, isn't it? Getting our luggage off. This is where we're going, so we are ready and excited. Can't wait. Oh, we're in. Thank goodness. Good morning. Hi. This is the port. Hello. All right. Look, you look like big porthole. Arr, me bitty.
On the cruise?
No, not yet.
We're not in the cruise.
No, we're in the terminal. Like a
Airplane.
That's right. Hey.
So guys, go to the escalator.
Well,
It's Disney plane up
we'll
here.
have to do it on the
I'm
boat.
using it.
Sign up at Disney.